Stealth Labs, we're a vehicle enhancement company, so we do anything from performance upgrades, vinyl wraps, body type work, aerodynamics, wheels, custom exhaust, all kinds of cool stuff. Obviously, for example, this one, we're doing pretty much everything that we can. So I started messing with my own car, and my first car was a Volkswagen Jetta, and I just was playing around with some Plastidip, watching some YouTube videos. That was in high school. And when I was going to college, I worked for another shop, and then I was in there for about a year. Eventually became the operations manager for that shop, and then I ended up separating from that company because of some issues internally, and then I left and went and do my own thing. And now we have, which is Stealth Labs here. We name our company Stealth Labs because we're known for wraps, as I'm known for doing that type of work. So stealth is pretty much one of the most popular wrap, and that's considered to be a matte or a satin finish type of film. Those type of films are very popular because they're cheaper to maintain than a regular matte or satin paint job. Those type of paint jobs are typically about $25,000 to $50,000 depending on which shop you go to. Considering that you remove everything from the bottoms, all the way to the frame. Make sure you shoot everything properly. So wraps, it's only about 1/5 of those prices, so you're only spending about $3,000 to $4,000 versus a paint job. Typically, any exotics is going to be difficult to work on. First thing is the parts are usually very expensive to replace. I remember someone breaking glass, just a 3/4 pound glass on a Bugatti, the new Bugatti, and just the glass itself, about this small, was about $15,000. So this 570, we're doing a full body carbon fiber PSM body kit. When you order this kit, it comes with the 2 options of different type of weaves. So you can see the V shape right here as far as the carbon goes. And you can choose whether you want to have this V shape or just a regular carbon pattern throughout. So we're also going to be doing wheels, custom exhaust, and expel to wrap this whole carbon pieces up so that we can protect these pieces from getting scratches and getting chipped by rock chips. Just overall having the protection that carbon fiber would need. So retail for this kit retails around $30,000 to $40,000. But that's because it's not a Chinese, kind of like Taiwanese made product. It's made here in the US. So to back that kind of company is usually something that not a lot of customers, not a lot of people do. So you can differentiate those type of quality parts versus non-quality parts. So this is what you're looking at. As far as taking the kit and just installing it on versus having to modify it, do custom things to it. Wheels typically runs around $7,000 to $8,000 depending if it's a cast wheel, forged wheel, or any of those type pieces. For example, this one is going to be around $8,000 to $9,000 for the wheels and plus tires, so that's another $2,000. And then on top of that, you're looking at the whole car clear bra, which runs anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000. Then you're looking at the custom exhaust, which is another, I would say, another $5,000 to $6,000. So you're looking, adding everything up in modification, just parts alone, you're looking around anywhere from $60,000 to $70,000.
That's crazy. That's like the price of M3. Yeah. And how long do you think it's gonna take for all this to be installed? for the car to be finished?
So typically for this type of project that requires a lot of moving pieces, we take the car in after everything has arrived. We don't want the car to sit here for a long time when we're waiting for parts to arrive. So when everything arrives, when the car comes in, we do every little pieces of installation, wheels, aerodynamic parts, exhaust, everything can be done within about 2 weeks time.